It's a video presentation of the Haas VF6. Just have the remote jog. Got fourth axis, which is a HRT 310. Get the spindle running right now. I'll go ahead and crank that up. Let me Next, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and run it through its paces. Put your X, put your Y. Z. Fourth axis. Take a quick walk around the machine here real quick. A shot of the side profile of the machine here. It does have the USB port. And this is going to be serial number 10834, manufactured in 7 of 1997. A shot of the inside of the electrical cabinet. Everything seems to look good in here. This concludes the video presentation of the 1997 Haas VF6.